Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Welcome back to the channel. We're just chilling, riding down the road with our baddies, taking it easy, going to the next job, making sure things are rolling along like they should. You know, doing contractor stuff on a pretty contractor day. Do your job. We're gonna go check on the house. I've had some back issues from lifting a lot of stuff last week. So we're gonna go fly around, check it out. Y'all get to go with me. We're gonna do a little flying today. How about that? Here we go. Here we are in the truck. Law doing her job. Here we go.
Just walk us through it, Dad.
All right, so what we're doing, we're coming in, going through the garage. We'll see what these boys are doing. All right, we got Brandon there. He's mixing up some, he's mixing up some stuff here. Oh, that's her son-in-law, yeah. He's a cool guy.
Just walk us through what you've done to the walls.
So what we're doing
is
we're coming in here right now, and we're going to turn around and see what they're grouting out this floor. See, it's looking good. Piping it down, doing a great job. And coming into this room here, we built a ramp. We got a pair of floors and all in here, but we've done all these walls and shiplap, and got the tongue and groove on the ceiling. Overhead fan there, it's looking good. Whew. Come into here, we put in all this plumbing. She wanted it just old-timey looking, so we just put it against the wall. We had to put the shiplap against brick block walls. So anyway, yeah, kind of keeping with that retro look, and I mean it's going good. But so then we're gonna come in here, see what's up in the back part of the house without trying to get sucked up into the ceiling fans. That wouldn't be fun. Ceiling fans would cause us some serious trouble. So what we've done in here is put the tin around, put a ceiling in. We got to go get trim to go around the exterior of this up and down the sidewalls, and right here up and down the sidewalls. Cool little fan. But and then we got to get our trim to go out around, trim it out real nice with metal, and then we put this cool little shelf system in here with a couple rods for her clothes, and looking good, looking good. I got our toilet put in. We got to get quite a few things done, but I think what's happening is this guy's moving everything. Get in here with our sander and get to working on these floors. Floors are looking good in the house. Looking mighty nice in here. Our old boys are down on their hands and knees doing a job. Oh, they got a door right here that we got put in. Well, that looks good. Yes, sir. Pushing it down in there real good. Looks like he is, so I think it'll all work out and be okay. Come out through the kitchen here. Look back at what these boys are doing. So yeah, and then we'll go outside and look at their framing job they did. So they were able to put this timber framing in here on front of the house. She wanted this done. That turned out really nice. She wanted it painted black, so we painted it black. Yeah, it looks good. And she wanted it made out of 4x4, so I'll get over here, you can see the thickness on it. I mean, it's really thick material. Go around back here. The old shed roof she had put on. A lot of tin on this house. And another thing I had them do was come down in here and put this thing in. They had to build this chase right here and hide the pipes in it. So then we have to insulate our pipe down here. But that chase looks really nice. They did a good job. So that's kind of the stuff we've been working on today. Yeah, if you want to check out some of the stuff we've been working on out here, you can look back at some of our other videos. We brought the water from out here at the water pump, tied in a new line. We ran a new line over just a few days ago that went right through here where I'm flying now. And it comes all the way around. You can see where it's buried through here. And we tied it into the house here. And what it's feeding is this inside water line. Let's get down here, see if we can get through here. Right here, this water spricket. She wanted this water in the garage, so we were able to make that happen. And there we go. That was a fun ride. A lot of good recording. All right, folks, that's what we've got going on today out here. So I'm glad that you got to kind of fly around with me a little bit and look at this project. When your back hurts, you fly your drone. What are you doing, Leroy?
That's an expensive toy.
Yeah, they didn't nobody give it to me, that's for sure. My old back's been hurting me. I lifted some heavy plywood and stuff last week.
Yeah.
I need to get out and walk through the project, but I figured, well, you know, a good way for me to see everything they've been doing, I can fly through there. So that's what.
I didn't know what that was making a racket.
It'll scare you if you ain't used to it. Oh, muy bien. See, they've already got it, Law. I'm getting good.
Me gusta this Lord. Give me.
Perfecto. Yeah. Are you getting the concrete all the way in?
Yeah.
Mucho concrete? Yeah, perfecto. All right.
And the door yesterday.
Yeah, door's perfect.
Yes, perfect.
Everything looks good, Brandon. Good. Antonio working out okay?
Yeah.
You good today, Antonio?
Yeah, very good.
Good, okay. No problemas, dialysis?
No problema.
Okay. Yeah, flush. Flush and maybe a quarter inch to the brick.
The brick in the bottom.
Yeah.
Quarter inch here.
Quarter inch of that, yeah, and then flush with the wood.
Yeah.
Because this is the floor come up again, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We've got to go pay a few old bills around town. Need to go to Taylor Rental, different places. We're leaving, now we're leaving the head job out in Summerall. We got to go back into town, go by Taylor Rental, owe them a little money, get everybody happy. But everything's looking good out here. We just working away, baby. Trying to make it happen. Here at Taylor Rental. Okay, these are good people. This is a good place. If you need anything around Hattiesburg, rent equipment or whatever, Taylor Rental. They're over here off Lincoln Road Extension. I don't get paid by these people, nothing to say any of this, but they've been very good to me, good customer service. So, Taylor Rental. Laurel's fixing to walk them in a little old check for a little bit of rental we had.
This is a check he just called about. Here you go. Thank you.
They normally give you a check, a receipt, right?
Do y'all need to go get a receipt?
I guess not. All right, well, here we are. We just got home, running our errands, went out to Summerall, made sure everything was going good at the head house. And stopped and got some delicious Advil for the old Baccarama. Just gonna end this day a little early. It's 4:05, and I need to go sit down. So anyhow, we went to Taylor Rental, paid a bill, and then of course we paid phone bills, power bills, all kind of other bills today. Had a lot of bills to pay as usual, and we're pretty much done for this day. We've been out and about. It's not but about 95 degrees outside. So, you know, we're kind of looking forward to being done early. I'm going through some stuff right now, self-inflicted with my back because of two reasons. I worked a lot last week, lifted a lot of stuff that was heavy. I turned 56 yesterday. And man, my lower back is killing me. I'm toting around about an extra 70 pounds because I'm a lard, and I've got to get a hold of that. So I can feel sorry for myself. Well, poor me, I don't know. Let me go see a doctor and let them prescribe me a bunch of crap. Or I can do what I know I need to do in a very self-disciplined way. Every time my mouth opens, my elbow bends, my mouth's open, I got to quit feeding myself crap food all the time. So I'm going to work on that. And what I want you to do out there in this video world, wherever you are, if it's morning, noon, or night, if you're sitting there crying, looking at yourself, feeling sorry for yourself because you're your own worst enemy, I'm just here to tell you, change some habits. That's what I'm having to do. You do the same thing. Nobody's coming to your rescue. There's no miracle pill you're going to take. Don't get depressed. That's just stupid. And do something about it. It's what I've got to do. Nobody's going to do it for you. Your wife ain't going to do it, or your boyfriend, or your children, or nobody else. You take care of you. Do what I need to start practicing what I'm preaching here. So maybe we'll just see a path that I take through pain, and maybe make a difference. And you can see some changes over the next year or more doing these videos. So my motivation to you is, don't feel sorry for yourself. You created your own problems. Now, correct it. Do what you know's right. It's going to take a lot of self-discipline. Believe me, I know that's tough. I'm having to deal with it just like you are. So get disciplined the way I'm fixing to have to, so you can make a difference. You need to be here for your children as long as you can. They need you, I promise you. I promise you mine need me. They don't need me, they need money. And pretty much I'm the source of that. So
That's not true. We do need you, aside from bills.
you think so?
Yes.
I'm just saying, your family needs you, like Laura just expressed. And I appreciate that. And we all need each other. So be encouraged. If you need help, call me. I'm not hard to get a hold of. We can do all this together if we need to. It ain't no trouble. Call me. So other than that, let's start this journey and let's do something about it. Okay? Let's get in better shape, better health. Our family needs us, and your loved ones need you. You are loved. You are needed. You matter. You have value. Call me and I'll tell you. Nobody's telling you that. I'll tell you. You're needed. You have value. And if you need me, call me. And that's about all I know to tell you. Let's go. See you in the next video. We'll do it again tomorrow or Monday. Let's go.